In today's video, I will walk you through how to create product bundles in Shopify. To begin, navigate to the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Apps. Once you're in the Apps section, locate the search bar and type Shopify Bundles, or simply Bundles. From the search results, look for the Shopify Bundles app. When you find it, click on the app to open its page, return to your Shopify admin area. You will now see the Shopify Bundles app listed under the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Begin creating your bundle. Inside the app, look for the Create Bundle button and click it. This starts the bundle creation process. The first thing you need to do is enter a name for your bundle. Choose the name you want the bundle to display. After naming the bundle, begin adding the products you want included. Select all the products that will be part of the bundle. If any of the products have variants, you can choose which variants should be included. You also have the option to select a default variant where applicable. Once you have finished selecting products and variants, click Save and Continue to move to the next section. You will then be taken to a page where you can complete the remaining bundle details. Enter a description for the bundle in the description field provided. Next, upload any media you want associated with the bundle. Add the images or other media files that you want displayed with the product bundle. After that, assign the bundle to the appropriate category. Continue by entering the price for the bundle. Make sure the pricing information is completed before moving on. Review all the information you have entered, including the bundle name, selected products, variants, description, media, category, and pricing details. When everything looks correct, click the Save button. After saving, your product bundle will be created and added to your Shopify store. To recap, go to Apps, search for Shopify Bundles, install the app, open it, select Create Bundle, add a bundle name, choose products and variants, click Save and Continue, complete the description, media, category, and pricing fields, then click Save. Once these steps are complete, your product bundle will be ready in Shopify. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.